Hi guys, it's James from CMC Motorcycles, and today I want to show you a new device we've got from Oxford Products. It's the Oxford Products CLIQR. This CLIQR device enables you to connect your phone to your bike handlebars and detach it in one small step. You can use it on your motorcycle as well as your cycle. It's available in 3 different models, priced at £25 for the cable tie one, which is suitable if you want to mid-mount it on your handlebars. If you want to use the out-mount one, it's £29.99. And you have the adapters, so it runs from 25mm to 32mm bars. Or if you just want to use the standard one to have it close and personal to where your clutch is, so you can see your GPS on your phone, that's £29.99. That's for 22mm bars. What you need to do is get the 3M adapter. You get 2 in the box. Take the 3M adapter off and attach it to the back of your phone case. What I'm going to do now is show you how it fits to a bike, so you can see how good the unit is itself. So the first thing you need to do is remove the 3M sticky pad from the adapter. Position it in the center of your phone to the desired location. When choosing the correct adapter, you need to know the diameter of your handlebars. Then you need to get your 4mm Allen key, remove the bolt, fit the adapter on top of the handlebars and clamp it in place. Once you're happy that it's nice and secure, not fouling any part of the motorcycle, get your phone, position it on top of the adapter and make sure it clicks in place. Once you've got it clicked in place, just make sure it's nice and secure. Now you can use your sat nav on your mobile phone. To remove your phone, all you need to do is press the click on the adapter and you'll be able to remove your phone and leave the adapter on the bike.